Okay, 10th problem, we have to find point of trisection. Okay. Trisection means you have to divide into three parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 part. So take it as P, take it as Q. Okay. And it will be 1, it will be 1, it will be 1. Okay. Now that given A, how much? B is okay. Let us first find point P. Okay, take it as X and Y. Okay, and take it as X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay, this is N, it is 1, and this full is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now we have the formula, bisection formula. X is equal to M plus N X2 X1. Okay, let us put that value. So therefore X is equal to M is 1 plus 2 upon 1 plus 2. X2 is minus 4 and X1 is 2. Okay. Minus 4 plus 4 upon 3, I think 0 upon 3. Therefore X is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us calculate for Y. Y is equal to M plus N upon M plus N Y2 Y1N. So that will become M is 1 plus 2 I take Y2 is minus 8, Y1 is 7, minus 8 plus 14 upon 3. Okay. So that will become 6 upon 3, equal 2. Therefore point X comma Y is equal to 0 and 2. Okay. So I hope you got this. Next we do for Q. Okay. Now let us find for Q. Okay. Take it as A and B. E, Q. Q midpoint. Because this is 1, this is also 1. Okay. This is 1, this is 1. So we will use midpoint formula. Okay. Okay. So take it as X3, take it as Y3. Okay, at midpoint A is equal to this plus this. B is equal to this plus this. So X3 is 0, X2 is minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2. minus 2. B is equal to y3 is 2, y2 is minus 8 upon 2. 2 minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3. Okay. Okay, so therefore Q A comma B is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Okay. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we do 11th problem. Okay, 11, 4 equal parts. Okay. And here we have to divide it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it as 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. We can give some name here, okay. P, Q, R. Q with midpoint, okay. Midpoint, because it is 2. It is 2, 1 plus 1, and it is also 2. Okay, so it is midpoint formula. First we'll calculate Q, okay. X is equal to, take it as x1, x2. Sorry, take y, x2, y2. Okay. Now apply the formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that is minus 14 plus 6 upon 2, minus 8 upon 2, minus 4. Take y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. y1 is minus 10, and that is minus 2 upon 2. That is minus 10 minus 2 upon 2, minus 12 upon 2. Cut it minus 6, so it is minus 6. Okay. So I got point Q. Q is x comma y is equal to minus 4 and minus 6. That we write it here. Okay. Okay, now let's find for point P. Okay, now P between A and Q. P is midpoint, okay. So we can use the midpoint formula, okay. Take it as x3, y3. P take it as A comma B. So let us take it as A comma B. So what we get? A is equal to x1 plus x3 upon 2. So that is equal to minus 14 minus 4 upon 2. Okay, so it is minus 18 upon 2. So it is minus 9. Calculate B. B is y1 plus y3 upon 2. y1 is minus 10, and that is minus 6 upon 2. So that will become minus 16 upon 2. So that will become minus 8. Okay. So point P A comma B is equal to minus 9 and minus 8. That we can write it there. Okay. Next we'll calculate for R. So again R is midpoint, okay. R is midpoint. So R is midpoint of segment QB. Okay. Therefore, by midpoint formula, what we get, take it as therefore A is equal to x3 plus x2. and b is equal to y3 plus y2 upon 2. So x3 is minus 4 plus 6 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, 1. And here y3 is minus 6 minus 2 upon 2, minus 8 upon 2, minus 4. Therefore, point R A comma B is equal to 1 and minus 4. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we'll do 12th problem. Okay, in 12th problem, 5 equal parts. We have to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Okay. Let us take it as P, Q, R, S. A is given how much? 20 and 10. 0 and 20. Okay, let us first find 2 points. Okay, Q, R. Then after that you can apply midpoint theorem. Okay, let us first find Q. Okay. Let us take it as x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2. One plus one, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so that will be 1 plus 1 plus, that is equal to 3. Okay, so m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Okay, bisection formula. X is equal to m plus n so m is 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 3. What is x2? 0, x minus 20. Okay, so that will become 60 upon 5, so that will become 12. Okay, now let us calculate y is equal to m plus n so now we have y2 is 20, y1 is 10, so 40 plus 30 upon 5, that is 70 upon. Okay, that will break it. So we got this point. Okay, x and 1. Therefore q x comma y is 12 and 40. Now let us find for r. Okay, bisection formula. Okay, take it as x and y now. Okay, now you can see the 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and here 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so it will change. Okay, okay, now you have to just apply it. Okay, Okay, so write that value. M is given 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2. But we have x2 is 0. x1 is 20. 0 plus 40 upon 5. That is equal to 40 upon 5. That is equal to 8. Now let us calculate for y. That is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. y2 is 20. y1 is 10. That will become 60 plus 20 upon 5. 80 upon 5. 5 and 5, 16. That is equal to 16. So point equal to r is equal to x comma y, that is equal to 8 and 16. Okay, that we write it here. Okay, next let us find for p and s. So the same way you can find points p and s. Okay, the section formula, but midpoint formula is this. That's why we will use p is point p is midpoint of segment okay. So by midpoint formula, take it as xy, or you can take other letter also. Okay, you can take a and b also. Okay, so a and b, take it as x3 y3, x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2. So that will become 20 plus 12 upon 2, 10 plus 14 upon 2, 32 upon 2, and that will become 24 upon 2. Okay, that is correct. Okay, so therefore point P A comma B is equal to 16 and 12. Let us do for S. Okay. Now I said midpoint of R and B. Okay, because it is also 1, it is also 1. So therefore you can take it as S is A comma B. Take it as x4 y4. Okay. So we can write as A comma B. Therefore by midpoint formula, S A comma B is equal to x4 plus x2, y4 plus y2. So that will be 8 plus 0 and 16 plus 20. So that will become 8 by 2, 36 by 2, 34, 1, 8, so it will become 18, 4 and 18. Therefore, S A comma B is equal to 4 and 18. Now you have to just write it, okay? That's all. Okay, I hope you got this. So write the coordinate of point with divide AB into 5 congruent parts are this. As 8 and 16. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we'll do another practice set.